model, 65 plate Ford Transit Connect 240 LWB red trend automatic needs repair no VAT. Body, red, panel van. Mileage, 125346. MOT, the 15th of December 2025. Engine, 1499 cc 1.5 TDCI 120 PSS 6H. Transmission, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Gearbox loses drive after a while at some kind of electronic issue. Suspect failure within the dry clutch system needs replacement or repairing. If you know what you're doing, will repair easily. Thinking face grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it.